Hello everyone, welcome to the second annual HBCU Technology Conference Career Accelerator. My name is Donnell. I'm a Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Project Lead. I am also here with my friend and coworker,
Raya Kendall. I am the program manager for the Personal Systems Internship Program. And today we're going to be walking you guys through how not to get a job, resume writing, interview tips, professionalism on social media, specifically LinkedIn, and the importance of joining professional organizations. Let's get right into it.
All right, everyone. Welcome to the next segment of the Career Accelerator, and today's topic is recruiter tips. And to get started, we're going to just dive right into it. So many of you are familiar with the term, your network is your net worth. So use your network, whether that's your professors, your classmates, your family, utilizing your LinkedIn profile. Essentially, all of these people are going to be the people that's going to help, push you towards success throughout your entire career.
I can personally say that everyone that I've connected with in my professional career, being classmates, professors, co-workers at previous jobs, have helped pivot me into the next level in my career. So I am definitely going to say that your network is your network.
And then moving forward, research the company. What makes it attractive? What are the diversity and sustainability goals and objectives of the company? How has the CEO reacted to global and local crises? What kind of work is being done in the community? These are some things or some questions that you can think about when researching a company for more information.
Yes, a lot of this information is easily accessible right here on our phones. You can Google to see how that CEO shows up when things are going on in the world, in the industry. And so that's super important to keep in mind whenever you're connecting with recruiters.
Awesome. And then moving forward again, your resume, your cover letter. Submit your resume, tailor your resume to the specific job description and the details. Have a colleague or professor review your resume or an industry professional to proofread and provide feedback. Essentially you want to, have a mentor, someone that has worked in that industry or in specific roles to take a look at your resume to provide that direct, knowledge of how to get into the industry and as well as how to succeed in the industry as well.
Yes, the resources are endless. I've heard of people even reaching out to employees who are already working at the companies that they aspire to work at and just asking them for tips. Oh, can you look over my resume? Can you take a look at my cover letter? Use your resources and you would be surprised at how many yeses you'll get.
Awesome. And show up as your most authentic self. I wish I can tell you guys the entire experience that I had when interviewing with HP, but I'm gonna be honest, I showed up myself. I was confident, I was honest as well. I think recruiters and hiring managers or people managers, they really enjoy getting to know you for you and not the facade that maybe you're going to state things or be a certain way just to get the job. We want you guys to be yourselves. We want you to be comfortable as well within our company.
Exactly. You'll be able to connect with recruiters like Donnell said, and they'll get to see you in your natural form because that's how you're going to be once you join the company.
Awesome. All right. And then the next would be, study and be prepared. And many of you may be familiar with the term STAR. Essentially, STAR means situation, task, action, and result. And I do want you guys to stay tuned for another one of our videos in which I'll go more in depth on what STAR actually means and how this can also help you succeed in your interview.
Yes, and studying and being prepared will also just help with your confidence. And that goes back to showing up as your most authentic self. If you prepare what you're going to say, prepare doing your research on what the company is doing, it will help you be more confident in answering questions and just being, representing who you are in front of the recruiter.
Awesome. Thanks, Raya. And then lastly, ask questions. This is another time for you to really shine in the interview process, and also in asking questions, you're getting more details about the role. And in terms maybe throughout the entire, conversation that you've now had with the people manager or the recruiter, you may have missed some really important experiences that you'd like to share with them. So this is another opportunity for you to engage more and shine, prior to closing out the entire interview process with that recruiter or with the people manager as well.
Oh my God. Okay. Thank you all for tuning in for our Career Accelerator. This segment has been all about recruiting tips. We hope that you've learned something that you can take away. Stay tuned for the next video.